Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select a group of emails in Yahoo inbox to delete all at once. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is first head on over to Yahoo Mail and then make sure to sign into your account. Now once you've signed into your account, we should be taken to the inbox section. So on the top here, we've got home mail. Make sure on the mail tab and then click onto inbox. This can work for anything. So we can go to all mail, sent, drafts, whatever. It works all the same. So now if there's a group of mail I'd like to delete. So if I want to delete, say, all of these LinkedIn emails, so I want to scroll down. I want to click on the little box next to them like so. So I've clicked on those three, and then at the top of the page we've got a few options, so we can archive all of these, move these to another folder, delete, or click spam. But this video is about how to delete, so click on that delete button. Now that's going to delete from your Yahoo Mail, and then once you delete it, it's going to be taken over inside of your trash inbox. So if I want to delete it from our trash, go ahead and click on those again and then click delete. And now what's going to state here, delete messages. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this conversation or these three conversations? Click on OK, and then you're not going to have any traces of those emails that you've selected inside of Yahoo Mail anymore.